Welcome to AP Engineers Hub. Preparation of estimates, examples and exercise part 1. Description of estimating and costing. Estimating is the technique of calculating quantities and expenditure. The following are requirements to prepare an estimate: drawings, detailed specifications, standard schedule of rates. Need for estimation and costing. Estimates give an idea of the cost of the work and hence its feasibility. Estimate gives an idea of time required for the completion of the work. Estimate is required to invite tenders. Estimate is also required to control the expenditure. Estimate decides whether the proposed plan matches the funds available or not. Procedure for estimating or method of estimating. Preparation of detailed estimate. Calculation of rate of each unit of work. Preparation of abstract of estimate. Data required to prepare an estimate: drawings, specifications, rates. Rates. For preparing the estimate, the unit rates of each item of work are required, like material rate, labor rate, etc. Complete estimate. Most of people think that the estimate of a structure includes cost of land, cost of materials and labor, but many other direct and indirect costs included in and is shown below. The complete estimate includes cost of land, that is actual cost of land, cost of surveying, cost of verification of deeds and execution of deeds, brokerage if any, PS and contingency at 5%, legal expenses between owner and contractor, cost of structure, cost of materials, cost of labor, consulting engineer fee, permit fee. Lump sum items. While preparing an estimate, it is not possible to work out in detail in case of petty items. Items other than civil engineering such as items are called lump sum items or simply LS items. The following are some of LS items in the estimate: water supply and sanitary arrangements, electrical installation, architectural features, contingencies and unforeseen items, etc. Workyard establishment. During the construction of project, considerable number of skilled supervisors, work assistants, watchmen, etc. are employed on temporary basis. The salaries of these persons are drawn from the LS amount allotted towards the work charge establishment, that is establishment which is charged directly to work. An LSM amount of 1.5 to 2% of the estimated cost is provided towards the work charge establishment. Introduction to estimates. The estimate of a work is the probable assessment of a work, both quantity-wise and cost-wise, as per the required specification for the required items of work. Types of estimates: preliminary estimate or line estimate, detailed estimate or item rate estimate, revised estimate, supplementary estimate, annual repair and maintenance estimate, special repair estimate. Preparation of estimates. Method of detailing estimate. Details of measurement and calculation of quantities after of estimate cost. Report accompanying the estimate should include scope and description of the work, investigations, designs, specifications, rates and costs, program of work. Prerequisites of an estimate: drawings, standard specifications, standard data and schedule of rates. Drawings, plan, section elevation, detailed drawings, etc. Standard specifications. It is intended by the APSS to describe the character of the materials to be used, the method of execution of work, and the contractor's responsibilities and liabilities to the public, government, and his workmen, and general contract of work, which is known as standard data. To get work done as per the standard specifications, required quantities of recommended materials, requirement of specific need-based manpower, deployment of proper utility-based machinery, and duration of its utilization are to be observed and quantified for each unit. Schedule of rates. This contains the rates of various materials to be used in the construction, the wages of different categories of labor, skilled or unskilled, the location of the work and its distance from the source of materials and the cost of transport. The above rates shall be fixed by Board of Chief Engineers every year. The rates are valid from month of June of that year. The Andhra Pradesh standard data was revised from the year 2009-10. The irrigation data is further divided into 6 chapters. That is preliminary and maintenance works, dam and allied works, tunnel and allied works, canal and allied works, canal and cross drainage works, gates, hoists and allied works. Each chapter contains data items appropriate to the nature of work. The work item contains a brief description of the item work, data analysis, labor component, contract profit, and overhead charges. Brief description of the item. Materials, machinery, labor. Add contract profit and overheads to A plus B plus C. Total amount, rate per unit. A special note on contract profit and overhead charges. In the revised standard data, 14% is added towards contract profit and overhead charges. Overheads include site accommodation, setting up plants, access road, water supply, electricity and general site arrangements, office furniture, equipment and communications, corporate office of contractor, site supervision, documentation and as-built drawings, mobilization or demobilization of resources. Labor camps with minimum amenities and transportation to work sites, light vehicles for site supervision including administrative and managerial requirements, laboratory, minor T&P and survey instruments, watch and ward, traffic management, expenditure and safeguarding environment, work incidents or compensation. Some important points. All material rates shall be inclusive of all taxes, duties, levies, charges, transportation and handling costs up to project area. For sand, moram, stones, quartz, aggregates, etc., the rates are at quarry including blasting charges if applicable, sand charges, loading charges and idle hire charges. For earth, soil, for embankment works from borrower, sand charges are added separately. No allowance towards labor importation or labor and labor indemnities. However, certain additional allowances are added extra to the wages of labor in the form of percentage towards area allowance in places like jail components, TTDs, municipal areas, etc. If more than one area allowance are applicable for a particular situation, only the maximum out of the allowable percentage is to be allowed. Some important points to count. The basic rates provided in the schedule of rates include 50 meters for manual work or 1 km for machinery. As initial lead, no lead charges shall be allowed where the source material is within the initial lead specified in item rate. Loading and unloading charges are not payable for conveyance by head load. Loading and unloading charges are not payable for conveyance by mechanical means for disposal of excavated material. The rate of unloading of materials except earth, sand, gravel, coarse aggregate, rubble, size, stone are inclusive of stacking. Provision for wastage of cement and steel is already included in the input, hence no separate provision need to be kept. Excess duty. In case of gates, hoists and allied works, excess duty is applicable on the value of fabricated components supplied to site. Hence 75% of the machinery and labor components may be considered for assessing the extent of excess duty to be added in the rate analysis. Wherever dewatering and resilting is needed, 3% of the item unit rate is to be added. Schedule of rates versus revised standard data. SR contains materials, material rates, labor wages, machinery, hire charges, and is applicable to the current year. Standard data contains details of work items and corresponding unit rate. SSR rates will be updated every year. Standard data should not be altered. Any variation in the data or addition of new data items should have prior approval of Board of Chief Engineers. Unit item rate and lead charges are updated based on the new rates in SOR automatically. Basic rates of materials, labor pertaining to all infrastructure departments are available in SSR. For items other than irrigation department, data of other departments is to be referred in data. Code and index of the works items of standard data. These are available in standard data. Stage 1 and 2 administrative approval. Stage 1 administrative approval. Based on land acquisition, R&R plan, EMP approval regions and ranks contains stage 1 administrative approval. Stage 2 administrative approval. Department records stage 2 approval for final HPs and alignment, detailed designs and drawings as per relevant IS codes, government guidelines, and accordingly cost estimates are prepared based on standard data as per GS number 23/2009 and current SSR for the year. Technical sanction, tender publication, registration of contractors, procedure of tenders, approval, execution. Next of technical sanction, variation in estimated cost submitted for administrative approval at the time of technical sanction based on trial pits, borehole data and assumption made earlier. Cost estimate is prepared based on current SSR, current steel and cement rates, inspection report of SCRCE, approved designs and drawings, foundation exposure. While preparing cost estimate, no change of scope of work as compared to estimate prepared and sent to government for administrative approval. If cost estimate prepared for technical sanction is less than that of estimate cost for administrative approval, concerned authority can operate powers of exercise. If cost of estimate prepared for technical is more than that of estimated cost for administrative approval, needs administrative approval from government. Preparation of cost estimates should include enclosed to the estimate. Check slip, inspection report, report accompanying the estimate, general abstract, abstract estimate, detailed estimate, civil data, rate analysis, restatement, quarry map, approved ranks, LS and CS, index map on topo sheet. Report accompanying the estimate includes name of the work, location of the work, description of project, scope of the project, provision made towards structures like UT, SP, canal drop, etc. Standard data with specification, current SSR. Cement, steel rates, head of account. After the estimate includes quantities as per detailed estimate, various items of works, data, civil, mechanical, electrical components are revised standard data, also joinery data, WM data, each item of work based on APDS. Rates and data. The rates adapted are as per the common current SSR for the year 2013-14 of all engineering departments of the Andhra Pradesh for that year. Now 2021-22. Like cement rates, also current rates you have to use. LS provisions. The following LS provisions are made as follows. Provision for VAT, now GST, 18%, 12%, as the case may be. Provision for lab stress 1%, provision for borewell, pump set arrangements including shed and accessories, water supply and sanitation, provision for electrification, provision of water supply, sanitary fitting, electric and water tanks, water closures, urinals at 12% on civil works, provision for architectural design charges at 0.5%, provision towards inaugural charges, provision towards tender publication charges, preparation of agreement copies, estimate booklets, cost of landscape, horticulture, parking, etc. Provision towards price adjustment. The provision towards price adjustment is made at 10%. SSR first phase. Cement steel rates. These are guidelines for standard data. These are available in standard data book. Thank you. Examples of preparation of estimate is